How to install Exodus 13 Clowns Kodi add-on. Click the System Settings, click File Manager, click Add Source, click None. Type in https://the13clowns.github.io. In the second box, name it Clowns and click OK. Go back to the main menu and click Add-ons. Click the add-on package. Click Install from zip file. Select Clowns. Click Zip file. Wait for the repository to download. Click Install from repository. 13 Clown Video Add-ons. Click Exodus. A pop-up will open showing all the dependencies and add-on. Click on OK button. Wait for the repository to download and pop up at the top right. Some of dependencies weren't installed. You will have to install them manually. That's it. Exodus installed successfully. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.